Need to convert a Word document into a PDF without installing any software? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using Google Docs. First, open your web browser on your laptop. Now go to Google Docs. Once the website opens, sign in with your Google account if needed. Now, from the Google Docs homepage, click the File Picker or Open File option. Then select the Upload tab. Next, click Browse and find your Word file on your laptop. Once you find it, select the file and wait for it to upload. After the upload is complete, Google Docs will automatically open your Word document. Take a moment to check that everything looks correct before converting it. Now move to the top left corner. Click File. From the menu, move down to Download. Then select PDF document. Your PDF file will now download automatically. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder to find the converted PDF. And that's it. Your Word document has now been successfully converted into a PDF file. If this tutorial helped you convert your file quickly, subscribe for more simple computer tips and step-by-step tutorials that make everyday tasks easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.